Greetings everyone, I hope you're doing well and having a good time. I'm very excited for the year to come, but first off I'd like to cut together some footage from the eastern coast of the second largest lake in Sweden, Vättern. Recently I took a trip with Florence along that coast and we managed to see plenty during the short day. One hike was to the tower near and above Gränna, called the Tegnértornet. The tower has 144 steps and is 26 meters high. Now being placed so high up, one can really enjoy a beautiful view from the top, 266 meters above the lake. We also made it to Omberg before the sun went down. Last time I was here was last summer, during a very wet, humid and warm period.
It seems my reason to be here is only to feed the mosquitoes. And why did I take my shorts on? Why didn't I keep my hiking pants? I've been plucking away a few ticks already. What I'm gonna do now is kind of erase and rewind, go back to the car and head somewhere kind of higher up.
The area was filled with mosquitoes and ticks and it just wasn't the right time to enjoy the place. So I went back a bit south to the breezier island of Visingsö in the Great Lake. There I enjoyed a dip in the sea, a star fort, a medieval church that was founded in the 12th century.
And on my way up here I was walking past the church from the 12th century, which had frescoes from the 15th century, which is very unique. So back in the days people couldn't read, they had to listen to the priests preach, whatever. They had images to tell the stories. Hoće li to?
Anyway, we did a short hike at Omberg before the sun was getting down, and we even made time to visit the Alvastra Abbey Ruins, which was at the moment being reinforced and under construction. It's a lovely mystical site and we've been here before, some years ago on a good golden autumn day. With these clips put together, it's time to head out to new destinations. Until next time, thank you for watching and all the best.